Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm here and I am going to replace the battery on this laptop, and we're going to show you how to do this. And so this laptop is about 2 years old. It's out of warranty and it's pretty nice. It's a Dell 13-inch Inspiron 5000 series. It's a nice laptop, but it dies in like 2 minutes. So the whole reason for this video is to show you how to remove the back and take out the battery that's inside and replace it with the new battery that I bought off Amazon. This battery I bought off Amazon is about $40, and take a look at it. This you look up the model, and this is a made in China battery, but it is the type of battery that it fits this laptop. It's a 42 watt-hour battery, and it's pretty much a brand new battery to replace. So we're going to take this one out and put this brand new one in. So to do that, I'm going to put this to the side. I have my toolkit and a screwdriver set. We're going to find the size of the screws that fits this screwdriver, and we're going to replace those that are in there. So this side's not the right side. Go to this side. And let's see. Alright, that looks like it fits. So and it's electronic. You take out all the screws from each part of the laptop. So using an electronic screwdriver is not that much faster than doing it by hand. It just makes it more easy. Alright. So now that we have all the screws removed, it should be pretty easy to get the cover off. So we're gonna kind of slowly find out where it unclicks at. Alright, pry it open, so it will work. Click it open. Oh, it's dusty. There we go. Alright. Not as easy as pie, but alright. So here's the old battery right here, and here is the replacement battery. It looks the same. Match it. So 42 watt-hour standard. Alright, so the next step is to just take the screws off. Okay, and there is a latch right here, so when you take out the screw, make sure you kind of wiggle this to get it off. Cool. There we go. Voila. So it looks like this battery has got heated and warped out. As you can see, it's kind of like not flat, completely flat. So I put that to the side. And this new battery is completely flush. So we're gonna replace that in. And before I do that, I'm gonna spray a little air on it. So I got a little air duster. Tear out the tap. And spray some of the compressed air. So that the computer is clean. Alright, now that that's done, so first thing is to plug in the battery. Alright, it's plugged in tight. Make sure it's plugged in tight. And then we're just going to screw it back in. Okay, line it up. Okay, and that is it. So now you screwed in the hard drive, the battery. That's brand new. And there's a hard drive, there's a fan. Looks like that's the memory. And then we're just gonna put it back on here. And take a look at this, see if it's clean. There's no dust in there. Alright, I'm gonna cover it up. Okay, now that the cover's all clicked back into place, we're gonna put the screws back on, and then we're done. And that is how you change a laptop battery from Dell. That is how you change a Dell laptop battery. Brand new, installed. See you guys. Peace out.